So you followed our tutorial on how to request an Uber ride. Well, now what should you expect on that ride? What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to success in the gig economy, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. After requesting your Uber ride, you can track your driver via the Uber app. Make sure you're ready at the pickup point when your driver arrives. You do have a few options in the Uber passenger app before your driver arrives, allowing you to change the destination, change the payment method, split the fare with someone else, or share your ETA on the trip. While waiting for your driver, you can also access the driver's profile, showing statistics on the driver, amount of rides given, ratings for the driver, and compliments that driver may have received. When your driver arrives at the pickup spot, make sure you're getting into the right vehicle. You have the name and image of the driver, the make and model and color of the vehicle, and the license plate number as well. Once beginning your trip, you will see an estimated time for arrival towards your destination, as well as the route your driver is going to take as well. You can expect seeing several options from Uber during your ride in the passenger app, as well as Uber-specific Snapchat filters. From here, your ride should be pretty straightforward. If there is any circumstance where you do feel uncomfortable or unsafe during your ride, click on the new Passenger Safety Toolkit. This new safety toolkit has an option to dial 911. After your ride has concluded, you'll see an updated screen in your passenger app, giving you the option to rate, tip, or leave a compliment for your driver. Your driver Mike here, I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.